Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, a new day with new Sudokus or puzzles in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 15th, 2021. And we have no so good news, not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have only 3 regular Sudokus. The first one is a binary, second one is medium Sudoku, and the third one a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Why we have bad news? Because in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles. Let me zoom this out. You will see. I will show you. There are no extra puzzles in this newspaper of Wednesday, December the 15th. So what I will do, because yesterday I have not finished with the 9 extra puzzles in additional. What I will do is I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. So that's my plan to do. See, only 3 puzzles. And the news of today, yes, because yesterday the government has announced, because the Omicron, it's not, it's coming, Omicron, and maybe in 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks. So what they have decided is the evening lockdown. They expand the evening lockdown. They want to continue till January the 14th. Then all the schools 1 week early closed before Christmas. And the booster shot, not prick. In Dutch they call the booster shot booster prick. Okay. No, it's the booster shot. Everyone gets the booster shot in January. All the people 18 plus. So everyone, yeah. Now it's time for the people older than 60 years. Yes, they are running out of time because they expect the Omicron will be in 1.5 weeks. So the hospital, they are scared for more victims, more infected people. Anyway, let's solve these 3 puzzles. First one, binary puzzle number 3830. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5, not 4, 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between 2 1's comes an O double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 1's and 4 O's. Okay. Yeah. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah, between 2 1's comes an O. Okay. And then we need to think. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Then I need to think again. This one is not not easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Well. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here should be an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Yeah. Well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Still, we have 4 1's. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an 1. This should be an O. Okay. Alright. Okay. Think. It's not easy, this one. Not easy. Okay. So here, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4, here also. Here also. O and a 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. I think I'm stuck. 1, 1, 1. O and a 1 here. Between a 1 and an O, we have 2 empty boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 or there 1. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I think I'm stuck. No, not stuck. Overlooked. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Overlooked. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row, in this row, last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. A lot of thinking without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.